Hello everyone, welcome to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 common issues in Procreate and how to fix them. The first thing could ever happen to you is when you have a shape. Let's draw a circle, and then when you drop the color in and it goes to all your page, and if you go back, you zoom in, you can see your shape is not closed fully. Then you can close it, you can drop your color in easily. So the second thing is when you have a shape and you drop a color in, but you can see some white pixels around the edge of your shape, and it doesn't really look perfectly filled. So what you need to do, you just need to go back, and after dropping the color, you just pull your pencil to right side, and you can see the threshold is changing the percent. Whenever you don't see any white pixels, then you can stop. So now it's fully filled with the color and there is no white pixels around. The third mistake is when you have a shape and you are going to use a pattern or a texture on top. I just get a texture. Let's get this grid one, and I change the color to pink maybe, and you can just use it freehand, but you have to be very careful with the edges to not go out of the shape. So how you can just keep it inside your circle, what you need to do is just press on the layer and press on alpha lock. So let me go back. Then when you put this on alpha lock, you can now use your pattern without going out of the shape. So it only, even if you do this, it only fills your shape and it doesn't bleed out at all. The next issue you can ever have in Procreate is when you try to use a pattern on your fashion illustration or any shape that you have drawn, then when you zoom in and out, you get different size of the pattern. This is just an example and you can see what exactly I mean by that. So just to avoid this to happen, what you need to do is just go to setting and then press on brush scaling. Then if it's on relative to screen, change it to relative to canvas. Then at this stage, in this case, you will have same size of this pattern. Even if you zoom in or out, you can always get same size of the pattern. So another thing which I'm experiencing now is when I just take my pencil off and try to redo the pattern, it's just going to different places just like that, and I cannot have a clean pattern on top. Then every time I draw, these polka dots are going to different areas. What I need to do is go to the brush and then press on grain and then change it to texturize. You can now get the dots in same place every time you do it again and again. So this is how to get a nice and clean pattern on your illustration. This is how you can get a clean pattern. So of course I needed to put this on alpha lock or create clipping mask to not go out of the shape, but it's fine. I did explain what I wanted to. So I hide this layer for now, and I'm going to explain something else as well. I just get my monoline pen and then try to draw a skirt. So let me get a darker color, maybe this one. So this skirt has the few cuts, could be ruffle or pleated skirt, just like that. I just make it shorter to have the line inside the canvas, not out. Then I just pick a color to fill my shape. Let's get a mustard color. So one of the way to fill this one is just dragging the color inside and drop it to fill it. So it wasn't that hard, but sometimes when you have a complicated shape with lots of lines and cuts, so it takes lots of time. What you need to do is just going back So what I'm gonna explain is just when you fill one part of the skirt, you just press on continue filling, then you just tap on each part that you're going to fill, and it's done in seconds. So there we go, done. So whenever you're done, just press on this again and let it go. So another common issue that you can ever have is when you decide to change the color, then you need to pick another one and drop it again into your skirt, but you don't really need to do that. You just need to add a layer, create clipping mask, and then pick any other color that you wish your skirt was, then drop it in. Again, you can pick any other one, even get a green one. And also if you want your skirt or your lines to be a bit different, you just need to go to mood and change it to multiply or any other mood that you are happy with. You can get different color in each of this. So even I like this one, and even if you go to the skirt layer itself and change it, then you again get different colors and shades. I just leave both of them in multiply, or maybe leave this on normal. So there we go. Here is the end of today's video. I really wish you have learned something new and I could help you today. If you have any suggestion for next videos, please don't hesitate and let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching this one and see you in next video. Bye.